destroyed by humans. So anyone here can give some way on how the planets are getting destroyed. So in what way, guys? Anyone can give? Yeah, like garbage. So like they use dynamite for fishing, and then do more meat. So what can we do to prevent the forest from destruction? Getting lost. Yeah, for what? Don't. Yeah, so don't do that. And of course, if you want to go fishing, so do the proper way of fishing. And avoid the garbage from the net. So can I count you can do the things to be care about our coral? Yes, promise. So who wants to take some picture with me? Okay, so take picture now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, yeah. Thank you. So, any more questions?
Lia, Lika.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye everyone.
Lia, Lia. Hi ka dito, Lia. Lia. Tingin ka dito.